Hello everyone, I'm Sam. I will introduce you the installation process of the self-sealing. So keeping a limit sealing we are into instead. This is the installation drawing. This is the accessory we need to install. This is main carrier. This is the spring tip. This is the spring water. And this is main clip. And this is the spring tip clip. This is the suspension brush. This is not. Connect the spare wall and then a main clip. Then a suspender bust. Then install them together. Connect with the main clip. And it is okay. Take out the spring tip and break it on the edge of the brake pan. Spring tip clip break in the spring tip. Main clip is connected with spring tip clip.